Hi, it's Neetu, and I created this makeup look. Not really, I did it, but it's inspired by Victoria Justice from the new TV show Eye Candy. Have you been watching it? I've been enjoying it. I think it's great, and if you haven't seen it, check it out. I really think it's good for teenagers, kind of, to, warn them about the dangers of the internet and putting your stuff out there, and that, there are bad people out there, so you should be careful. I don't know, I've been enjoying that show. Some people might think it's a bit immature, but I really like it. And so I really was inspired by the makeup of Victoria Justice, or the Lindy makeup. Her character on the TV show is Lindy, and so I was inspired by her makeup, and it can go from day to night, and it's kind of cool, and so I tried to do it on myself. And if you want to know how I did it, please keep watching. So Victoria Justice has really prominent cheekbones, and I see that they highlighted very well this area. So I'm going to take my NARS Radiant Concealer, and I'm going to put an extra amount of concealer around here, and just blend that out, but also some here to highlight the bridge of the nose as well. I'm going to use that as a highlighter. But you can also use like a cream highlighter, and I'm gonna take it down to the cheekbone. So I've already done my my BB cream and CC cream. So basically my base makeup, the foundation part, and yeah, just use some extra concealer or a highlighter in this area. And I think you can kind of see that looks more radiant. The cheekbones are popping better. And putting highlighter here also makes the nose look taller as well. And she has quite a tall, high nose. Okay, now I'm going to set everything with powder. And I'm using this one. It's the Cat's Wink powder by Tony Moly. And I use a brush with it. And so just pat the powder on. I'm patting it on also because I don't want to move the concealer around too much. I'm going to contour, which I see that she did do, and that just makes the cheekbones and the line here, pop even more. So I'm using the Yves Saint Laurent bronzer that I always use. It helps when you go like this, because then you can see the line and follow that. And I also do it down here, like I go down with it to make your face seem sharper and smaller as well. And now I'm going to take the bronzer up to the hairline as well. And a bit on the sides of the nose as well, and that just makes your nose look even sharper. So I do think she's wearing blush, but a very beigey, natural kind of blush with a bit of coral to it. So I think my Lunasol blush would be perfect for that. And she seems to have it lower on her cheeks. Maybe like that. So I just put a bit of blush, and now I'm going to do the eyeshadow. So she wears really kind of nude, natural, brownish eyeshadows, and so I'm using this. This is a palette by Helena Rubinstein, and it's Wanted Eyes palette, and it's number 8, and it has this brown, and it also has this light kind of with a bit of gold, but it's kind of a beige kind of color. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the beige color first, and I'm just going to put that all over. Because I naturally have dark circles, it looks like I'm already wearing eyeshadow. That kind of helps me, but I don't know about, so that's why I don't do so much work with my crease as maybe other people will do who don't naturally have that. So just putting that, it already kind of looks like her. And now I'm going to take the darker brown color, and I'm going to use that in the crease and down here as well. So kind of more on the sides. and a bit into the crease as well. So kind of like making a V shape like that on the eye. See? And the same on the other side. Okay, and I'm going back to the other brush which I had before, and I'm going to blend that out a bit more. And just blend. And that's so that it looks natural without the harsh lines. Okay, and the last eyeshadow step is to highlight. So I'm going to highlight, take this white color and go under the brow bone. So just pop some, you know, under there as well. And I'm going to put that in the inner corners as well a bit. And that's something that I just always do. Okay, now I'm just taking this black pencil eyeliner and I'm going to line my eyes. And sometimes I forget English randomly. I'm just going to line my eyes with it, and this is just by Etude House. Okay, so line your eyes like probably you would normally do, and I'm going a little bit lower. Okay, and then I'm just connecting it like that a bit. But not all the way around. I stopped about here. I did it lighter, 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 darker, 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 you know? She didn't tightline her bottom waterline, but she did tightline probably the top, but I'm not going to do that. I mean, you can if you want. Tightlining means going in and going like that with the pencil. I don't like doing that. I'm not going to do that. I am going to darken that up, the top part up, with some liquid liner as well, just to make it pop a bit more. Just to make it look even darker, smoother, crisper. Okay, and now I'm just going to put mascara. Today I'm just going to use this one by It's Real by Benefit. Okay, so this is the end result of the eyes and the eyeshadow. But she has really strong, bold eyebrows. So for the eyebrows, I'm going to use this kind of gray-brown shade here. But I really do like some of the brow caras out there. Just don't have one, so I'm using eyeshadow. And I'm just filling in my brows. For my eyebrows and for my skin tone, a gray brown works well. And then you brush them to make them just look more natural and more good. And so that's what it looks like with the eyebrows as well. And I'm going to do the lips. And in the ads, she has a really dark kind of lip, but in the TV show it's more red, so you can either go the more red burgundy or the even darker than burgundy kind of look. First I'm going to line my lips. You can skip this step, but it just helps to create a crisp line if you line your lips. And I'm going to put this, this is a kind of dark purpley plum kind of color. It's number 605 Fatal by 3 Concept Eyes. And that's what it looks like. You can use a more red tone. You can use, if you have something even darker, you can use that. It really depends on the lighting how this color looks, because in some lightings it looks more red, in some lightings it looks darker. So on camera it seems to look more purple than what it is. Do I look like Victoria Justice? Kind of. So this is it. Let me know what you think. And if you like this look, please click like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!